Hello and welcome to this related facts answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the related facts worksheet and we'll talk you through some of the tricky bits.
In this video, I will talk you through the answers to the related facts worksheet. So we've got Boris the builder is building a wall with a length of 17 bricks. He uses grey and brown bricks and he's built one length of the wall. He's used 14 brown bricks and 3 grey bricks. So he's split 17 into 14 and 3 and he's written the fact family. Explore other combinations of brown and grey bricks that Boris could use to build the wall. Find 3 possible combinations and complete the related facts for each one. So we know that Boris has 17 bricks, so I've put out 17 counters to help us. We need to find different ways of making 17. He has 2 different types of bricks, brown and grey. That means he will have 2 parts, the brown and the grey. So we know that we're going to split it into 2 parts. Part plus part is going to equal 17, his whole number, and we know one of them is brown and one of them is grey. So first of all, we've got our 17 counters up here. Let's just start by splitting 17 up in different ways. So you might just pick a random amount of counters and move it to one side. So I'm going to move 6 across. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my counters are double-sided, so I'm going to turn them over so we can see that they're a different colour. Okay, so I split my 17 up and one of my parts is 6. I've got 6 at this side. At this side, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So I know altogether I've got 17. I've got 6 and I've got 11. And altogether it makes 17. On a part whole model, it would look like this. 17 is my whole number at the top. And I've got my 2 parts, 6 and 11. So let's say I have 6 brown bricks and 11 grey bricks. So 6 brown and 11 grey. Now for my calculations then. I know that part plus part equals whole. And I've already written out one calculation. 6 plus 11 equals 17. Part plus part equals whole. But I could also add them the other way around because in addition it doesn't matter which way around our parts go. So I could also have 11 add 6 equals 17. 11 grey bricks add 6 brown bricks equals 17 bricks in total. Doesn't matter which way around my parts go. Now for my subtractions then. I know that the whole number always comes at the beginning. Whole take away part equals part. So we could do 17 take away 6 equals 11. That means that if I took my 6 brown bricks away, I would have 11 grey bricks remaining. So let's do the other one then. 17, and this time I'm going to take away my other part. 17 take away 11 equals 6. That means if I took away my 11 grey bricks, I would have my 6 brown bricks remaining. So that's one way of working it out where I've done my full fact family. I've done all 4 calculations involved. So to work out other answers then, all you need to do is split your 17 up in different ways. So let's just do one more. Okay. So I've put my parts back together to make my whole 17. This time I'm just going to move another random amount across. I'm going to move across 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll turn them because they're double-sided so I can see the difference in colour. And that will help me to visualise what the wall might look like. Okay, so this time I've got 10 and I've got 7. So I think that 10 are going to be grey and 7 are going to be brown. Okay, so I have 10 and 7. My total is 17. So on a part whole model, I've got 10 grey and 7 brown, and my total will be 17. So let's look at the calculations for this then. Let's start with the additions. I know that part plus part equals whole. So I could have 10 plus 7 equals 17. But remember, it doesn't matter which way around my parts go. So I could also have 7 add 10 equals 17. Okay, so remember 10 are grey and 7 are brown. Altogether we've got 17. Now for our subtractions then, I know the whole number always comes at the beginning of a subtract. 17 whole, take away part equals part. So 17 take away 10 equals 7. In my 17 bricks, if I took away my 10 grey bricks, I'd be left with my 7 brown bricks. Okay, now for the other one then, I've taken away this part, 10. I'm going to take away my other part this time. 17, take away 7. And if I took away my 7 brown bricks, I'd be left with my 10 grey bricks. So there's another way of working it out. Remember, all you have to do is just split up your 17 in lots of different ways. Doesn't matter if you don't have double-sided counters, you can still move them across to count the different parts, or you could draw them and cross them out, that's fine as well.
That was an answer explanation video on the Related Facts worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this learning, then visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this step, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.